Welcome back, history buffs! Grab your time machines because we are jumping straight into July 24th. From the dawn of the nuclear age to the return of our first moonwalkers, this day is absolutely loaded with moments that forever altered our world. Let's count down the top 5 historic events that happened on this exact day. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. We kick things off in 1567 when royal drama shook Scotland. Mary, Queen of Scots, was forced to abdicate her throne to her 1-year-old son, who would go on to become King James VI. This massive shift in power was a crucial moment that eventually reshaped the royal succession and united the Scottish and English crowns. Jumping forward to the dark days of World War II, in 1943, Allied forces launched Operation Gomorrah. This devastating bombing campaign over Hamburg, Germany, became one of the deadliest of the entire war, tragically claiming the lives of tens of thousands of civilians. Just 2 years later, in 1945, the world changed forever at the Potsdam Conference. US President Harry Truman subtly hinted to Soviet leader Joseph Stalin about a terrifying new weapon, the atomic bomb. This interaction was a pivotal turning point that launched both the nuclear age and the massive tensions of the Cold War. By 1959, those Cold War tensions boiled over into a very unusual setting, a model American kitchen in Moscow. US Vice President Richard Nixon and Soviet Premier Nikita Khrushchev engaged in the famous kitchen debate, a defining ideological clash between the two superpowers that is still heavily referenced today. Finally, we soar into 1969 for the triumphant finale of humanity's greatest adventure. On July 24th, the Apollo 11 spacecraft splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean, successfully concluding the historic mission that put the first humans on the moon. That wraps up our journey through July 24th. It is crazy to think how much global history shares a single calendar date. I want to hear from you. Which of today's events do you think changed the world the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this trip through time, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you catch every daily episode. Keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next video.